Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Students, let us see one more assignment, exciting or interesting assignment with the help of some interesting examples. Students, reading first question, what are the functions of molybdenum? Molybdenum plays an important role in nitrogen fixation. How it plays an important role in the nitrogen fixation? What do you mean by nitrogen fixation? You might have heard about nitrogen fixation. Conversion of gaseous form of nitrogen into crystal form of nitrogen is called as N2O2 or N2O or NO2 is called as generally the nitrogen fixation. So the gaseous form of nitrogen converted into crystal form of nitrogen like nitrates, nitrites, and even the ammonia, urea, uric acid formed from the nitrogen only. To form this nitrogen, molybdenum plays an important role. How? For nitrogen fixation, an enzyme is required called nitrogen reductase or the nitrogen or N2 reductase. An enzyme called nitroreductase or nitrogen reductase, which plays an important role in the nitrogen fixation. If this enzyme is not activated by the molybdenum, definitely nitrogen fixation will be stopped. Hence, the nitrogen is not taken by the plants for their proper growth. Nitrogen is a macro element which is required for plant growth and development. But this nitrogen in the atmosphere available in the form of air or gas state. The 78% of nitrogen in the atmosphere available in the form of gas, which is not useful for the plant growth and development. It should be converted into nitrates or ammonia. Then only the plants can utilize this nitrogen. Clear, students? And one more function is, here molybdenum plays an important role in the formation of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. To form this ascorbic acid or vitamin C, the nitrogen, the molybdenum generally activates some of the biochemical reactions. What is ascorbic acid? Vitamin C. Okay. Citric acid, vitamin C. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Clear, students? Going for the next question. Here, what are the functions of a boron? The boron helps in the translocation of sugars, glucose, sucrose, starch or carbohydrates, whatever formed in the leaf during photosynthesis. These are translocated by the boron, and even it helps in the formation of pectin. Pectin is one of the component like cellulose, lignin and pectin. Pectin is a component which is seen in around the cells, and it helps for flowering, fruiting, photosynthesis and nitrogen metabolism. Even during photosynthesis, the boron plays an important role. Here, during photosynthesis, photolysis of water occurs. During this photolysis of water, even in the formation of ATP, in the formation of NADPH2 or NADPH during photosynthesis, in these all reactions, the boron is an important component. Clear? Going for third question. Dash element that act as an activator of nitrate reductase or nitrogen reductase is definitely molybdenum. We have discussed in the previous question. And what are the functions of zinc? Zinc helps in the, it is a constituent of enzymes like nitrogen reductase or dehydrogenase, hexokinase and carboxypeptidases. So, in these all enzymes, one of the major element is zinc. If we take hexokinase, zinc is seen, or the zinc gets activated by the, the hexokinase is activated by the zinc, carboxypeptidase is activated by the zinc, even dehydrogenase activated by the zinc, even metabolism of phosphorus or metabolism of carbohydrates influenced by an element called zinc. Clear, students? So, digestion of phosphorus or carbohydrates under the influence of zinc in the plants or in the organisms. What are the functions of chlorine? Chlorine influences photolysis of water. What is photolysis of water? Breakdown of water molecule into H plus and OH minus ions, as usually electrons, and half O2 molecule is called as generally the photolysis of water. During photolysis of water, photons and oxygen molecule, even electrons are also produced. Okay. Carbohydrates are generally carbohydrate metabolism influenced by the chlorine itself, and even in tobacco plant, the width of a leaf in tobacco plant influenced by the width of the leaf in the tobacco plant. Especially tobacco is a commercial cash crop. It gives a lot of benefits to the farmers. So hence in this case, tobacco as a cash crop which helps in the some benefit, it gives some benefits to the farmers. So to increase the width of leaf in the potato, generally the chlorine plays an important role. Even during photosynthesis, photolysis of water occurs. Breakdown of water molecule in the presence of sunlight is called as photolysis of water. That is also influenced by the chlorine. Clear, students? Going to last question. What are the deficiency symptoms of molybdenum? In older leaves, chlorosis occurs, and even it inhibits flowering process in the young plants. What do you mean by inhibits? The formation of flowering or the formation of flowers could not occur if there is no sufficient amount of molybdenum. If there are no flowers, what will happen? Fruits formation or crop, sufficient amount of crop we will not get, or farmer will not get. So chlorosis, what do you mean by chlorosis? Less and improper development of chlorine or the chlorophyll on the leaf is called as generally the chlorosis. During chlorosis, what will happen? Chlorophyll molecules are not seen in sufficient quantity on the surface of leaf. If chlorophyll molecules are not seen, what will happen? Photosynthesis could not occur. Finally, it reduces the production in the plants. Clear, students? These are the assignment keys and examples and diagrams for this assignment. Remaining we'll discuss later. Until be safe. Thank you.